These shots taste like a mouthful of pancakes. They're delicious. Breakfast is served. Today we're making breakfast shots. These are also known as the Irish breakfast shot. Some people also call them the pancake shot because they taste like a mouthful of pancakes. They're so delicious, they're great to serve at brunch, and they're super cute. I mean, look at them. Now let's find out just how to make these. You're going to need 4 ingredients for this shot. Some Irish whiskey, some butterscotch schnapps, some orange juice, and some bacon. Now, today we're going to be using proper 12 for the Irish whiskey. You can also use your favorite Irish whiskey. I know a lot of people love Jameson and you can find it at any bar. So that would work just fine. If you want to get your hands on a bottle of Irish whiskey, head on over to bottlerover.com and get a bottle delivered to your door. Right now. You don't even have to leave your couch. You're gonna need 2 shot glasses. Fill up your first shot glass with some orange juice. In the second shot glass, add 2 parts Irish whiskey, which is about 1 ounce. Now we're going to be topping it off with 1 part of butterscotch schnapps, which is about a ½ ounce. Last, we're garnishing our shot with a piece of bacon. Now the fun part, let's take these shots. The first thing that you wanna do is take your whiskey butterscotch mix, then you're gonna chase it with the orange juice, and then you're gonna bite a piece of that bacon. Cheers! Delicious! It tastes like a mouthful of pancakes. I am satisfied. It's more about the presentation with the bacon than the flavor, to be honest. They still taste like pancakes with or without the bacon, I promise. I actually kind of prefer them without the bacon, flavor profile wise, but they're super cute with the bacon. Be the hostess with the mostest and serve these shooters at your next brunch. Stay thirsty!